Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can add your crypto addresses to the Crypto Pro app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Crypto Pro app, then go to the settings menu, which is on the right side. And here, if you go to the address import icon, which is the fourth one on the list, you will open up the addresses, and as you can see, I have no addresses in my Crypto Pro app yet. I'm guessing that you don't have them either, that's why you're watching this video. And to add some addresses, you just have to tap on the plus icon on the top right corner, and when you tap on it, here you can choose the crypto address that you want to add from this list. And if you are not finding it, you can use the search bar to type it in. Let's say I want to add a Bitcoin address. I can add a label for it in the first row. Here I can paste the address if I've already copied it. I can also use a QR code if you want. And then you just import it and tap on save. It's very easy to do, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.